Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix if there is no SIM card detected on your Android phones. So if you find that your phones cannot detect your SIM card, these are seven easy steps to fix it. So you can try by turning the airplane mode on and off on your phone. So you can go to the settings in here and then go to the network and internet, and in here you need to turn the airplane mode on and also off like this. So just do it repeatedly like this, and after that you can try to restart your phone. And after you restart your phone, if it's still not working, you can eject and reinsert your SIM card again to your phone. And after that you can just turn back the phone on, and after that you can try if it's fixed. But if there is still no SIM card detected, you can try to uh restart your SIM card in here. So I'm going to enable the mobile data first because I'm using the Wi-Fi. Okay, sorry, like this. And in here you can try to restart your SIM card. You can click on your SIM card. Then in here you can disable the SIM card first and enable it again like this. Or you can try to change the preferred network type, this one's right here. For example, the preferred one is now 4G, and here you can change it into 3G, 3G only, or 2G only. You can try just like that, and if see if it works. And after that you can also try to update your system phone, so you can see if your phones need to be updated. Let's try to find some update, so you can see if your operating system need to be updated. And after that you can also manually select the network on your phone. So you can just click on network and internet again in here, and you can go to the SIM card and mobile network, and in here you can set it so that you can manually select the network. And after that, if it's still not working, the last steps is you can just reset the network settings. So you can just scroll down, and here you can go to the system and go to the reset options, and here you can see there is this reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. So you can just use this. Just click on reset settings, and here you can just enter your pin and try to reset the mobile data. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.